Today, I'm going to share with you a massage technique for the knee. First, apply essential oil to the knee. The first move, massage in circles over the entire knee. Warm up the entire knee. The second move, open the tiger's mouth with both hands, a gesture where the thumb and index finger create an open space. Alternate with your thumbs. Push in a figure 8, 8 inches pattern above and below the kneecap. The third move, alternate the tiger's mouth with both hands. Pinch and slide along the top and bottom sides of the kneecap. The fourth move, using the heel of the hand, the meaty part between the wrist and the palm, to relax and glide over the entire knee area. Press downwards and lift upwards. The fifth move, open the tiger's mouth, with both hands on the entire kneecap. Pull and relax both inwards and outwards. Repeat each move 3 to 5 times. The sixth move, use the knuckles of both hands on the sides of our knees. Glide and relax. The seventh move, with the edge of our hands, the outer side between the pinky and the wrist. Rub and warm up both sides of the kneecap. Have you mastered it?